Hi, I'm Isabella, the co-founder of CamelAI. We have publicly available demos, camelai.com/demos. They're interactive, totally free, no login required, and I'm going to use the Y Combinator data set today to help me do a little bit of prospecting. So go ahead and click Launch Demo and then make sure that you're a human. This is our embedded AI data analytics chat connected to Y Combinator dataset. I want to find B2B SaaS. Show me a table of B2B SaaS tools. So this dataset does not have funding information. I'm targeting Series A, Series B, but it does have the year that the company was founded. So let's do probably 2023, 2022, and later. That are still active and were founded in 2023 and earlier. Include the following columns. Let's do company name, company URL, founder names. Go. So, this again is our free kind of interactive demo. We are uploading lots of different interesting data sets for anybody to use. If you have any suggestions, definitely let us know. We're always looking for, I guess, like fun or funny or interesting or genuinely useful things to add to Camel so that everybody can interact. But right now, Camel is working through the data set. It's looking at some of the queries that it has in its memory. And if it doesn't find an exact match, then it will fuzz the schema for, writing SQL, trial and error until it gets it right. Okay, looks like this is our table. I'm going to download this as a CSV, and I am going to get to prospecting. See ya.